The aluminium-mercury amalgam experiment is a demonstration of a chemical reaction between aluminium and mercury. Aluminium can form an amalgam, which is a mixture of metals with mercury in solution. The amalgam disrupts the protective oxide layer that normally covers aluminium and exposes it to air and water. This causes the aluminium to oxidize rapidly and form white aluminium oxide fibers. This reaction is exothermic and can reach 100 degrees Celsius. The amalgam also corrodes aluminium by breaking its protective oxide layer. That is why mercury isn't allowed on planes.